Hello, I'm Hamam Seso. I'm an electrical engineer and I love coding and I think I will be the next Elon Musk.
Hello everyone, I'm Osama, a computer science graduate, and I'm a full stack developer.
And I am Ayham, a computer information systems graduate, and we are Team Course to Game. Our project is a website that turns boring courses into fun, enjoyable games. The project's idea came from our mutual agreement that online courses are somewhat dull, causing students to lose their motivation. We solved this problem by turning the courses into games that the students would enjoy playing and thus wouldn't lose their motivation.
This is the Course to Game website. As you can see in the home screen, you can see the ancient library and the dungeons. I'll show it to you in a bit, but let's first add some material to the ancient library. As you can see, it's pretty easy. You can enter a course title, enter some content, and in the right of your screen, you can see how your content will be displayed in the ancient library. You press submit, and it is on the ancient library now. You can use Markdown to make your content appears better. Let's create a monster, shall we? What's a monster? A monster is a quiz. So your student will fight this monster by answering questions that you provided. Let's fill in the monster name. Let's add some description. Let's add one question. You fill in first the correct answer. Then you continue adding other choices. You can press clear if you want to clear this form. You can press save if you want to save the question. As you can see, you can preview a question here. If you press delete, you delete the question. You choose a monster type, and that's how you create a quiz/monster in the dungeon. Also, you can use Markdown to make your question appears better. Let's go back to the home screen. Now, let's go to the ancient library and see how the material that we just added is displayed there. As you can see, this is pretty cool, I think. Let's go back to the home page. Let's see what the dungeon says. As you can see, when we enter the dungeon, we found 3 monsters. We can fight one of them now. So it's the function wizard. Let's fight him. As you can see, when I answered right, his health decreases. When I answered wrong, my health decreases. We win this time. And that was Course to Game, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.
So at Course to Game, we believe that there's always room for improvement. So we're planning to add animation to the monster fight, as well as score system with a leaderboard, and adding in-game currency system. We hope that you enjoyed our demonstration. Thank you for watching.